In a narration found in Sunan an-Nasai, number 4998, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised the signs of a true Muslim and a true believer. A true Muslim is the one who keeps their verbal and physical harm away from others. This in fact includes all people irrespective of their faith. It includes all types of speech and actions which can cause harm or distress to another. This can include failing to give the best advice to others, as this contradicts sincerity towards others. This has been commanded in a narration found in Sunan an-Nasai, number 4204. It includes advising others to disobey Allah, the Exalted, thereby inviting them towards sins. A Muslim should avoid this behavior, as they will be held accountable for every person who acts on their bad advice. This has been warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 2351. This also includes not getting involved in other people's business, as this often leads to harming others. A Muslim must speak in a positive way in respect to others in their presence and absence, just like they desire other people to talk positively about them. Physical harm includes causing problems for other people's livelihood, committing fraud, conning others, and physical abuse. All of these characteristics contradict Islamic teachings and must be avoided. A true believer, according to the main narration under discussion, is the one who keeps their harm away from the lives and property of others. Again, this applies to all people irrespective of their faith. This includes stealing, misusing or damaging the property and belongings of others. Whenever one is entrusted with someone else's property, they must ensure they only use it with the owner's permission and in a way which is pleasing and agreeable to the owner. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has warned in a narration found in Sunan an-Nasai, number 5421, that whoever illegally takes someone else's property through a false oath, even if it is as small as a twig of a tree, will go to hell. To conclude, a Muslim must support their verbal declaration of belief with actions, as they are the physical proof of one's belief which is needed to obtain success in both worlds. In addition, a Muslim should fulfill the characteristics of true belief in respect to Allah, the Exalted, and people. An excellent way of achieving this in respect to people is to simply treat others how they wish to be treated by people, which is with respect and peace. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts, and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.